Alright, what's good guys? You already know what the dealio is and Emilio is. Your boy just got his haircut, but enough of me mentioning my haircut because that's not what the whole video is about, guys. The whole video is about this, guys. Shine Armor. I appreciate you guys for sending me out this package. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. So they always give this microfiber rag, always hooking it up with the rag, and this is a Shine Armor bottle. You can see right here, Shine Armor. That's what their name is, guys. Shine Armor. Hit them up on Instagram. They sell great products. As you guys can see right here, this product is going to protect the paint of my car from UV rays, from bird poop, from water, and it gives it just an extra protection of layer on your paint. Let's see the product, guys. Let's see the product. You guys are going to see the car is freshly washed and clean. You guys see it right there. She is ready to go, looking all shiny. Oh, and they gave me 2 microfibers. That's 1 microfiber right there. And this is the second one right here, Shine Armor. Let's just apply a little bit, not a lot, on the paint. You guys see that right there? It's purple. Let's see, check it out. Not too much, but just a little bit on the paint. You could apply it on the paint, or you can apply it on the rag, however you'd like, but most of the time, I just apply it on the paint. Make sure it's a brand new microfiber towel, apply it on the paint or on the rag, and just swipe up and down, guys. Up and down, up and down. And it should add a layer of protection to your paint. It's already looking shiny and glossy, and you can feel the difference. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Okay, so hear this. Rough, right? Rough paint, hear this. Can't even hear it. You guys see how shiny it looks? Literally wash, shiny, and smooth. Now, to finish off the product so y'all can see what I'm talking about, is let me get a water bottle for you guys. All right, guys, so right here I'm using the little water bottle, purified water. Now let's throw this water on top of the paint and see how easily it slides off. You see that? You see how easy that water slid off, guys? Check it out again. Doesn't even stick to your paint at all. Water just comes off. Look at that. Sheesh. So guys, like I'm telling you guys, if you guys want extra layer of protection for your paint from the sun, from bird poop, anything whatsoever, hit up Shine Armor. Protects your paint, gives it a shiny look to it, a good smell to the paint as well. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is the 40 quick coat by Shine Armor, guys. Nothing but the best product. Hit them up. Y'all already know I'll put their ad right here and on Instagram. Everything, guys. Let them know I sent you. Who's Robert, and yeah, best product you guys can use, and at a great price too. Not even that pricey. I'd say maybe like $25. I believe they're $25 a pop for these bottles, guys, but they're good work, good quality, and they're amazing, y'all. So if you guys need your bottle, get it as soon as possible, guys. They also have different products as well, not just this one. Amazing products that work hella good, I'm telling you guys.